If you want to catch trades like this from stocks and crypto, you should definitely learn the strategy I am about to show you in this video. This strategy is easy to use, even a beginner can apply it. The strategy only uses 2 technical indicators. To prove that this strategy works, I will backtest it 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000, with a 2 to 3 risk to reward ratio. For the backtesting, I will be using the price of gold on the 1-hour frame chart. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, so for this strategy we will be using 2 indicators. The first indicator we are going to use is the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between 2 moving averages. We will be using the MACD indicator for our entry positions. Okay, to add the indicator to your chart, you click on the Indicators tab, then search up MACD. We will be using this one. After adding the indicator, your chart will look like this. Now we need to change some of the indicator settings. We click the Settings button on the indicator menu. We head to the Style section, then uncheck Histogram, then click OK. Alright, our first indicator is ready. The second indicator is going to be the Hull Suite. The Hull Suite indicator is a trend indicator. It uses moving averages to determine whether the market is bullish or bearish. In our case, we will use it as our second confirmation indicator. To add the indicator to your chart, you click on the Indicators tab, then search up Hull Suite. We will use this one by in silico. After we have added the indicator, we need to tweak its settings. We click on the Indicator Settings button, we head to the Inputs section, we change the Joule variation from HMA to EHMA, then increase the length from 55 to 200, and change the length multiplier from 1 to 2. For the Style section, we will uncheck the bar color, then click OK. Now that both our indicators are configured, we can start with the strategy rules. We will start with the rules to entering a long position. The first rule, we need the Hull Suite line to be colored in green. Also, we need the price to be trading above it. For the second rule, we need the lines on the MACD indicator to cross each other, and for the blue line to be above the orange line. Now for the rules to entering a short position. First, the Hull Suite line has to be colored in red, and the price has to be trading under it. Second, we need the MACD lines to cross, and the orange line has to be above the blue line. These are the rules to enter a short or long position. To make everything more clear, I will give you a couple of examples. In this example, the Hull Suite line is colored in green, and the price is trading above it. The MACD indicator lines just crossed, and the blue line is above the orange line, so all our conditions are met. We enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing low and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After a bit, the price hits our take profit target. Let me show you one more long position example. Here the blue line is above the orange line, and the Hull Suite line is colored in green, so we can enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent lowest price, and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After a few candles, the price hits our target. Now, I will show you examples of short positions. Okay, so we have a short position entry here. The MACD indicator lines crossed. The orange line is above the blue line. The Hull Suite line is red, so we enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. This was another winning trade. I will show you one more short position example, then I will backtest this strategy 100 times. The price is trading under the red Hull Suite line, and the MACD lines just crossed with the orange line being above the blue line. We enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent highest price and our take profit at 1.5 times the risk. After a while, the price hit our take profit targets. By now you should know how to enter a short or long position, and know how to set your stop loss and take profit targets. Now, I will go ahead and backtest the strategy 100 times and come back with the results. I just finished backtesting the strategy 100 times. I was able to find those setups within 2 months period. The win rate was 78%, which means this is the best scalping strategy on the channel. My account size increased by 543%. I had 78 wins against 22 losses. The profit factor was 5.32. I had 12 consecutive wins against 2 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown was only 3.96%. This strategy shows the best results in the channel. The account grew from $1,000 to $6,430, which is just crazy. Overall, the strategy shows amazing results. I definitely recommend trying it out on other markets and time frames. You must remember that all backtesting are unique. You must do your own backtesting. You must test every strategy with a paper account before using your own money. In this backtesting, spreads and fees were not included, which affects real trading results. Overall, the strategy shows amazing results. I definitely recommend trying it out on other markets and time frames. Make sure you like the video if you found it useful and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more strategies.